Hi guys, Assalamu Walaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to remove text box background in Outlook. So let's started. At first, open your document. Firstly, text box. Click the text box option and click for the mouse right button option and click for the delete drawing option. Then click for the text box option and click for the shape option and click for the shape fill option. Then click for the no fill option and click for the save and close option. That's okay. Then I show the remove text box background in Outlook. This video remove text box background outline, sorry, text box background color and is very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching my video.